Hello everyone. My name is Nassolo Priscillah Stella. As I had told you, we are going to learn about computers, what they do, and their basics. But first of all, the main thing in this video, we are going to learn about characteristics of a computer, what they do, what is a computer itself, basic functions of a computer, and components of a computer. First of all, before we can go to our main agenda, some of us do not know how to start a computer. As you start a computer, there is the power button that starts a computer is circular. It has a circular part of it with a stick towards the circle, but then the circle does not touch itself at the other edge where the stick passes. Back to our main agenda, characteristics of a computer. A computer First of all, what is it? It is a device that inputs data, processes data, stores data, and outputs information. Someone might say, I've been using the word data in the definition. What is data? Data is unprocessed information. By the time you put some things in a computer, we feed a computer with information, and a computer I beg your pardon, we feed a computer with data, and a computer taps us, a computer gives us back information. As we give it the data, it gives us back information. That's why we input data, it processes it and gives us information. As we have known the definition of a computer, what else do we need to know about it before we can know what it does? Characteristics of a computer. As I have said, a computer can perform millions of operations per second. That is, it is speedy. A computer is accurate. It is very precise when instructions are correct. If you feed a computer wrong information or instructions, it will give you the exact thing to what you fed it with. Then again, a computer is automatic, can perform functions without human intervention once programmed. Yes, you can, once you feed it with anything, it can give you back what you need. That is, it is automatic, does not mean it does not need assistance of a person or a human being to help it give out its feedback. A computer is also having enough storage. It has a large storage for accommodation of a lot of data, and it also is versatile in the way that it can perform different tasks at the same time. A computer can do, some of us love TikTok. You can go on TikTok as you search somewhere else, maybe on Google Chrome, ChatGPT, but at the same time it's doing what you want. A computer is having the aspect of diligence. It is diligent in the way that it does not get bored or tired. We human beings, we get tired easily. A computer is also multitasking in the way that it can execute a lot of things in just a small period of time. So basic functions of a computer is basically to input data, as we said in the definition, to process, store, output, and again, it controls activities directed by the CPU. Then again, we have components of a computer. We have computer software and computer hardware. Computer software has types, which are system software, application software, utility software. We are going to look into various things of it. We have hardware, which are the tangible parts of a computer, and those are Among them are the input devices, output, processing, and then the storage. So thank you guys for listening to me as we have known various things about the computer today. I would urge you to continue following, liking as you continue going with me so that you can know what is more to add on to computers. Please comment and subscribe. Nassolo Priscillah, and I'm here for you to guide you and give you the knowledge you need. Thank you.